Hi students, so as IFO April and II May 2025 exams are approaching near, so we at Academic Junction are starting with our assignments and test series. So you must have received your notifications related to the dates of assignments as well as your tests. So do make sure that you are submitting your assignments and tests as per the dates that have been scheduled for you. And these dates are not announced to you just a week before. These dates have already been there on their portal at the time of enrollment. So guys, it's a recommendation to every one of you that do submit your test in the frame that we have allotted to you, because the test will be proctored this time and you will be getting detailed feedback from our side on your submitted test. And it's very important that you're submitting the test in your proper schedule time, because if we receive your test late, we will not be able to provide any feedback. So you have been messaging on institute's number related to the delays related to tests or assignments. So please don't come up with these requests, because we will not be able to entertain any delays in test timings or any delays in tests, because since the tests are proctored, so feedback will only be provided if you are submitting your test in that particular time frame. And all our outside India students, do make sure that you are adjusting your timings as per IST. It's very important that you should know that how you are performing in that particular time frame, if given that your mic is on and your camera is on and you're giving the exam in the same format as IFO and IIR exams are being conducted, because that will help you to understand where you are lagging. So coming up with any request of time change or delays, or because you are not prepared for the test or you want more time, will only be adding to the chaos, because we will not be able to entertain these requests. So irrespective of your level of preparation, irrespective of your commitments, I would request every one of you to make sure that you are giving the test as per the scheduled timings. So thank you, happy learning.